So guys, with $27 I was able to make $1,200 trading XAUSD on a $27 funded account, and this was done in a space of 5 days. And in this video I will guide you through step by step how this was done, the strategy, and also the pattern, the blueprint for you to grow a smaller account that is very little capital so bigger amounts of capital, like there's $500, $1,000, and then beyond. And this thing I'm going to show you is something that is not talked about in the forex space, in the crypto space. It's something that I figure out on my own and practice it, and it worked out, and I was able to grow a $27 account to $1,000 in a space of a week, right? And now today is Friday, and I had a trade, and then we hit TP. And if you come on my Telegram channel, you're gonna see that I had a sell trade on gold. However, today gold has been bullish since yesterday. After the NFP turned out to be dovish, it was a strength for gold to pump. So I just caught a sweet quick scalp sell, and I shared it on my group, and you can see I found out a sweep right here, a break of structure, another high, another dump right here. So what I did was expecting price to come down. So because I know price is bullish, so I had to like scalp it to at this zone, and then there you go, boom, we hit TP. So this one was just for extra, if we have to wait for this trade to pull out really fast, or expecting price to dump below, then continue the bullish trend, right? And that is it, and that plays out really quick this morning as of today, which is making this account right now $1,260 adding with this and this. And in this video, if you watch to the end, I'm going to be making a live withdrawal, and at the same time, before I show you the blueprint, the pattern, because what's made me this money was not strategy, it was a pattern, a blueprint which I implemented, and it works. But before I do that, if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, I'm BJW, and I made videos around making money online via forex trading, crypto trading, AI automation, be it YouTube, Facebook automation. As long as you're in the online space, I teach everything about how you can make a dollar from the internet right there. And all I want you to do to join this community, to support this community, is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so you're going to be notified whenever I upload amazing videos like this. And if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a bonus of what's going to make you $1,200 before the end of this month, July 2026. And if that interests you, all I want you to do is to stick around, don't skip any part, watch and learn the pattern, how you can grow little money, little capital to bigger capital, and then you scale to the moon. So if I come to my trading view, you all know the strategy which I trade liquidity sweep, break of structure, and point of interest. And if you don't know how this works, I've made a detailed playlist, and this playlist is over 20 videos and it's free. You can go ahead and watch from how to set up your trading view to the point on how to take profit and loss. And that was what helped me while scaling up this particular 20 USD to $1,000 really quick. Now, we all know the strategy already, and the strategy is as simple as ABC. If you're in a bullish trend, you wait for a sweep right here, a break of structure. Whenever price come back to this zone, then you buy. This is just type 1 out of type 2, 3, and 4. So I'm just telling you what you do. And then if you're in a sell trend, a sweep, right, price tap into this zone, and then you dump down. So this is what I as well call a strategy. You having an edge of what you see, or a story of what you see before hitting that buy trigger or sell trigger. Fine, that works, but that alone will not push you to the point of you making at least $1,000 with a very little capital. And what is that can push you faster is for you having a plan and a goal. Right now, when I mean a plan, I mean you setting a goal that, okay, for each day I trade, I want to make a certain amount of money, and if I make that money, I will close for that day. And this was the exact thing that helped me. Now, how is that? When I started with 27 USD, I didn't do any risk management on this capital, right? Because there's no risk management you want to do on 27 USD. The only thing is I as well niche down to my strategy, make sure that I enter a real valid high probability trade. Then my goal was to make 100 USD, right? That was my goal, to make 100 USD. So immediately I got to the point of making 100 USD using my strategy, I had to make that video how I went from 27 USD to 100 USD in 30 minutes. And this was done in a day in 30 minutes. So when I did that, I had to now move 50 USD back into my broker. I didn't make sure all the money the way it is right here on my MT5 is right here. So I have to push every $50 I make back to this broker right there. So this is how I keep stacking. So my goal was, since I've made 100 USD, so my goal is to fund $50 and then use the other $50, make an extra 100 USD, which is 150 USD. And then once I've made 150 USD, I will like push back $100 to my broker account, then try to flip the $50 to another 100 USD. So that way, if the market now goes in my favor and I make more, so that is an extra gain for me. Now, this is me having a plan and a goal. Now, you don't want to say, okay, because I have 100 USD, then I'm going to be looking for like a high risk to reward, maybe 1:6, 1:7. Fine, it will play out. But if you have a goal, or let's say you're looking for a 1:2, 1:3 risk to reward ratio, then you want to say, okay, whenever I get to this mark, then I close up and then push this other money back. Then that way, with the fact that you're making that withdrawal already triggers the mindset that you need to be making withdrawal all the time. Easy psychology, easy way. Now, for you to get to this mark of 1,000, you need to make sure you make withdrawal every single day of every profit you made. And if peradventure you lose any amount of money, or let's say you lose the $50 after funding, do not trade again. Just stop, because now what you're doing is you're risking the whole $50 just to make an extra $100. So that day, if it's profitable, you did $100 or more, then you can like push back the money to your broker and then refund $50, repeating the same process. And if you can do it maybe twice, thrice a day, or you do it once a day, or do it 4 times a day, that's already $400 you've made just by making sure you make withdrawal whenever you hit $100 on your account. And this is always possible if, let's say, you're trading with $27. So what I did first was actually fund 27 USD. So when I found 27 USD, so I use a lot size of 0.02, right? And I entered 2 position, right? Now, when I enter this 2 position, my mark is whenever I get 100 pips, I'll book a TP. Easy. Now, whenever I get 100 pips, I'll book the first TP, then break even. But I don't like breaking even. I'll just hold. Right now, which is to say, I've already turned my $27 already, is now already up to like $50 or plus, because 100 pips should be around 20 something dollars or more. Right now, once I've done that, the next thing I want to do is to then wait for my target. Now, if my target now hits $100, then that is fine. I could just close up, then remove the $100 profit and allow $50 to remain. So my goal is for me to make sure that for my $50, I must make at least $150 extra, then put the $100 back to my broker and continue trading with the $50 repeatedly. That way, the $50 is my stop loss. So if I lose everything with the $50, I'm closed or done for that day. Now, this is after you've grown your 27 US dollar to at least $100 mark, right? And if you try this, trust me, this is going to work out every time. And then you rewire your brain that you must make sure you make a withdrawal every day. And that is why you're a day trader, right? So this is the pattern, the blueprint I use for me to grow a $27 account to $1,000. And trust me, this is the best strategy or the best pattern or blueprint out there for you to anticipate, practice right now, and see it work. And now I talked about you guys that I'm going to also give you a bonus on how you can make $1,200 before the end of July. Now, there's something I call join trading, and if you're yet to join my Telegram channel, you want to make sure you join this Telegram channel, because I drop free signals, and these signals play out all the time, right? There's nobody that doesn't lose in the market, but if you see a channel that knows what it's doing, you want to make sure you hop on it. And if you're someone who wants to make money trading, XAUUSD, you want to make sure you're in this particular BJW Trades journal. Now, this channel is basically for journaling my trades. Now, every trade I take, I journal, and from why I journal is because I want to keep in track. And you journaling your trade makes you keep in check of what is working, and then you reversing and backtesting. Okay, this is what I did, and this plays out. I need to do this exact same thing again, and it will play out again, right? And that is the best reason you need to journal, so that you keep accountability of the trades you take. And it is the best thing to do as a trader. Make sure you journal your trade. Now, I now make it possible that I'm going to be sending my journal trades on a channel, and now for whoever that enter the trade, if I lose, you lose. If I win, you win. And all the time we've been having losses at the beginning, but at some point I keep refining my strategy, my edge. I keep saying that, okay, the more you learn, the more you tend to be good at what you're doing. So all you want to do, I'm actually conducting a joint trading account, and all you have to do if you're someone who want to partake on this joint trading account, it starts from a amount of $200 to $500. So if you are so joined with $500, you should be getting a profit split of $2,500. And if you join with $200, you should be getting a profit split with $1,200, which is you're getting capital of what you join with, and also a profit of $1,000 or $2,000, depending on the slot you actually go for. And all you want to do is to come to this channel, join the channel, stay active, and maybe DM if there's any slot available for you to partake on this trade. And this way you can as well grow faster, and as well grow funds faster, and get bigger capital for you to trade subsequently. And this is the only way you can as well make money trading Forex, or grow your $27 capital, or grow little capital to bigger capital right there. And as this capital keep growing, I'm going to be updating you guys what I do, how I do them, and also how I'm growing in this space. And if it's something you also want to see, want to go down below and comment how much you want me to take this $1,000 to, you comment that in the comment section. So before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and make a live withdrawal, because I'm using an access market for making this video. So you want to know that this broker is for sure a good broker to start with. So all you want to do if you want to withdraw from your access market is very easy. All you have to do is to just make sure you come to where it say withdraw, and then once you click on withdraw, and before you withdraw, and let's say you want to let me go back to the dashboard, and let's say you want to remove money from your MT5. This is my MT5. Let's say you want to remove a profit from your MT5. It's very easy. Just come to your access market. So all you want to do is click on internal transfer, and then you click on withdraw, right? Then what account are you sending to? You click on this leverage plus. How much are you withdrawing? And let's say I want to just do $5 for the sake of this tutorial, so you know how to remove profit whenever you made money. Click on send. You're going to see the sender account is this, recipient is this, the one I have $105, $1,205 an amount to be received. I'll just click on confirm, and there you go. I've sent $5 to this account. And if I come right here, you're going to see this is going to change to $50 mark right there. There you go. You can see it's now 50. And now, how do I withdraw this money to my Bybit? Then I can do P2P and then flex. So all I want to do is to click on withdraw. That is if you want to withdraw from your account to your Bybit. Then let's say I choose ERC20. I'm going to click on confirm. And if you're in Nigeria, you can withdraw via your local currency. If you're in Ghana, you can withdraw via the local currency in Ghana, depending on whatever demography. As long as Africa is concerned, access market works pretty well. So I'm going to put amount. I'm going to put, let's say I put 810. Right. And I'm going to put currency. I'm going to put USD. Click on continue. And then once I do that, so they say you will get 810 USDT commission, 0 commission. And this is the best part and why you want to use access market. All right, so they're going to request for me for a wallet. So I'm going to come to my Bybit, and I'm going to come right here, go to asset, click on deposit right now. Don't forget USDT ETH, right? ERC20, and this is it right here. I'm going to click on it, copy this, and then come right here and paste. Once I paste it, I'm going to click on confirm. right? And once I click on confirm, so they're going to ask me to verify this by entering my 6-digit authenticator code. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click on verify. Boom. Waiting for approval. So in the next few minutes or in the next few seconds, this is supposed to be done. So we're going to wait and then come back, see if this was successful. And this is to tell you that access markets are the best at the moment. If you trade forex trading and if you're looking for a broker to use, I recommend you use access market, and the link going to be in the description section right there. You can go ahead and check them out and set up an account and start using it to trade on your forex trading right there. All right, so as you can see right here, it's shown done, which is to say they've sent the money. So for me to be sure, I have to go to my Bybit and then see if this money, 810 US dollars, has been funded to my account. So I'm going to come to my Bybit. All right, so right on my Bybit, I'm going to go ahead and refresh, and you're going to see now I have $1,015 right here, and these are just profits I made from forex trading. And this is to tell you that forex trading can make you this kind of money and way beyond. Like I said, comment how much you want me to take $1,000 to, and then the best comment I see, which is realistically, I'm going to make a video and highlight the comment and the person who commented. See you guys in my next video. And until I see you in my next video, don't forget to check out the full playlist that will guide you through step by step on how to make money, learning full playlist that will teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis in forex trading, crypto trading, and financial market in general. And with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, share this video to one person on your status, and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Stay safe and peace.